How to upload and merge videos in CapCut step-by-step tutorial. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on New Project. This will take you to your media library, where you can select videos to edit. Click the Import button. Select the video you want to upload. Tap Add to bring the video into the timeline. Once added, you can see the video in your editing workspace. Merging to videos. Now, let's merge two videos together. Tap on the plus button to add another video. You can trim or adjust each clip by dragging the edges of the video ... to at a smooth transition. Tap on the transition icon between the two clips. Choose a transition effect that fits your style, like fade or slide. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded and merged videos in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video!